Hi friends, so I'm in kind of a weird background today, right? So you can see these shelves, there's a ladder, there's some mechanical-y things. Okay, this is a room at school that I'm in, okay? So this might be your background for a while, and that's cool. I just need you to focus on what I'm saying, all right? So let's talk about, so the past couple of weeks we've been talking about sentences. So this is technically during class novel, so we are going to be reading about nouns. So this is what we're going to focus on for the next couple weeks are called nouns. So we know that a noun is a person, place, or thing, okay? So if we're talking about people, any person is a noun. So things like teacher, Sally, Bob, boy, girl, Greg, all of these people they're all people, so they're all nouns. All right, and next one is a place. So somewhere like home, store, Walmart, school, right? All of these things, any place is also a noun. School is a noun. Burnett Creek is a noun. This room that I'm in is a noun, right? Because it's a room, it's a place. All right, the next one we have is a thing. So we have lots of things are nouns because it's a thing. So things like candy, shoes, pillows, journals, pencils, chairs. These are all things, right? And if it's a thing, it's a noun. So let's talk about something here. How about my journal right here? Is this a thing? Absolutely. So it's a noun. All right, how about my expo marker over here? Is this a thing? Yes, so it's a noun. Very good. How about my mask? Is this a thing? Yes, so it's a noun. Very good. Anything that's a thing is a noun. People, places, things. These are all nouns. Good job, guys.